Today we are making world-class BBQ short ribs that are juicy and packed with flavor in the oven. Hello and welcome, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Let's get started with the dry rub. In a small bowl, place salt, brown sugar, onion powder, smoked paprika, and blend them well. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's prepare our meat. Drizzle the oil on the meat. Sprinkle the chopped garlic and rub it in. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. With your oven, you do not need fancy gadget nor special wood chips to make tender and delicious short ribs. Sprinkle the dry rub and massage it in all sides. Please show me some appreciation by running the ads. For more recipes that make awesome food simple, hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss a thing. It is free to subscribe. Cover the baking pan with foil and place the rack on top of the pan, then place the meat on the rack. You may add the fresh rosemary or the thyme, then bake for 30 minutes and start checking on it. Remove the fresh herbs and start basting with its juices and the barbecue sauce. They look ugly at this point because the sugar has caramelized, but they smell amazing. You will know that they are ready when they are tender and they fall off the bone. Keep basting them every after 15 minutes with their juices and the barbecue. The cooking time will depend on how thick they are. Add butter on them to soften them up. This is optional, but it adds flavor. Bake them for 3 to 5 minutes to finish them off under the broiler and gut them like a hawk. Then they will be done. Please give me support by pressing the like button. It helps more people to find this channel. Let me know in the comment section what is your go-to side dish for the ribs. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I've got ribs to get to. See you soon on my next upload. Bye bye.